Welcome to Krishna Enterprises. Here is our new product, which is Covidien Skin Stapler. We are representing the physical product of Covidien Skin Stapler. The box contains 12 pieces. This is how the packaging of box looks like. The specifications are mentioned here. The MRP of the box is 15684. The country of origin is USA. Let me show you the single unit. This is how the packaging looks like. This is the expiry of the unit and this is the MRP of the unit 1307. The shelf life is 5 years. For more details, contact us through mail or WhatsApp. Thank you for watching us. Stay tuned for the next video.